Good morning, students. Now we shall read about the preposition. Which preposition to use when? Which preposition is to use when? And here you will see in next, in, at. In is used with the name of continents. In is used with the name of continents, countries, states, sizable territories and large cities. In is used with the name of continents, countries, states, sizable territories and large cities. She lives in London. In is used with London. Here she lives at the Bond Street. At is used at the small cities or location, small location. For small location, at is used. Note, when we speak of living in a place, for a larger period of time, we usually use I live in New York, in USA, and here it is not used. Here it is not used. And next is between, among, where between is used and where among is used. Between is used while referring to two persons or thing. Between is used while referring to two person or thing. Like Paul is standing. Paul is standing between Ron and Graham. There are two children, first one and second one. And this boy is standing between these two students, so between is used there. Mangoes were distributed among children. Among, when so many numbers of persons are given, there among is used. There among is used. There among is used. Note, between can also relate to more than two persons. Between can also relate to more than, we often consider that between is used for only for two persons, but it can also relate to more than two persons or thing. If we have a definite number in mind, if we have a definite, the condition, term and condition is also given here. If the definite number is in our mind, then it can be used for more than two. Between can also relate to more than two persons. And like the United Kingdom lies between the Pacific Ocean, the Northern Sea and the English Channel. This is a very special type of example that between, we consider that between is only used between two things, amidst two things. When anything is given between two things, there between is used. But here there are given three things. United Kingdom is between the Pacific Ocean, Northern Sea and the English Channel. But term and condition is given here that between can also relate to more than two persons. More than two persons are things if we have a different number in mind. If we have a different number in mind. So you will mind this. If the different number is mind is given, then between can be used for more than two things, persons or place. Next, besides means, beside means at or by the side. At or by the side of. He came and sat beside me. He was standing beside me. He was standing. Your house was, he was walking beside me. These are the uses. In your, here you will see the example. I saw him walking beside the river. I saw him walking beside the river. Besides is used. Besides is used. Besides is used by the side of or at. For the by side of or at. Besides mean addition to or other than. Addition to or other than. Like he ate mangoes besides coffee. Besides coffee. Besides taking coffee. He bought books. He bought books beside walking some clothes. Besides purchasing some clothes. And besides acting, he sings and writing. Besides acting, he sings and writings. In, within. Where in is used, where within is used, in is used, in is used in. It means by the end of. It means by the end of. I will do it in a week. By the end of a week. By the end of a week. And within means before the end of. Within means before the ends of. I will do it within a week, before the end of week. Before the end of week. Here you can understand it easily. Now the next is, now you will see the next is at, about. At, about. At is used with a fixed moment. At is used with a fixed moment. The speech starts at 8 o'clock. The speech starts at 8 o'clock. It is used with a fixed moment. About indicates proximity to a certain time. About indicates proximity to a certain time. It is about time for the speech to begin. Speech to begin. Okay. And next is till by. Till means not earlier than. Till means not earlier than. And she kept me waiting till 5 o'clock. She kept me waiting till 5 o'clock. By means not later than. She said that she would come by 9 o'clock. She would come by 9 o'clock. She would come by 9 o'clock. And next is since far from. Since far from. Since as a preposition is used before a noun. Is used before a noun or phrases denoting some point of time. It is used in perfect tenses. It is used in perfect tenses. Perfect tenses. And for is used to denote a period of time. For is used to denote a period of time. Since is used to denote a point, a fixed time, a point of, that is known as a point of time. From is used to denote some point of time, but unlike since, it is used with all the tenses. It is used with all the tenses. Denotes some point of time, but unlike the since, it is something like with the since, but it is used with all kind of tenses. All kind of tenses. I will start exercising from tomorrow. I will start exercising from tomorrow. And next is before far. Before is used to denote a point of future time. Before is used to denote. Before is used to denote a point of future time. A point of future time. I will reach before the performance gets over. I will reach before the performance gets over. And far is used in negative sentences to denote a period of future time. To denote a period of future times. I will not be coming for a week. I will not coming for a week. Here far is used, and you can easily understand by such type of examples. And next is on over. On over. On denotes actual contact with some object. On denotes actual contact with some object. The cake is kept on the table. The cake is kept with the table. The wind blew gently over the meadows. The wind blew gently over the meadows. Okay. And next is Here next is words followed by particular preposition like certain verbs, nouns, adjective and participle are followed by particular prepositions only. They are followed by particular prepositions only, and I agree with. Agree with. In this matter, with a person. With comes with this verb. This verb agree. With always come with agree. And couldn't agree to his proposal. Agree to. With a person will come. Agree with will come for with a person, and agree to. Agree to will come to a proposal. To a proposal. It will come to a proposal. And they don't approve of you. They don't approve of. Of will follow approve. Approve will come with of. These shoes belong to me. These shoes belong to me. Belong to. Belong to. Belong is followed by to. She is not blind to. Blind to. Blind, always to comes with blind. Always to comes with blind. My grandfather complained of pain in the chest. My grandfather complained of. Always of comes with complaint. With complaint always comes of. I congratulated him on his victory. On. Congratulated on. On always comes with congratulated. And don't compare me with that girl. Don't compare me. Don't compare me with that girl. Come always with compare. With always follow to compare. Okay. And next is they deal in mobile. Deal in. Deal is followed by in. He is devoid of and compassion. He is devoid of. Devoid of. He was deprived of. He was deprived of. He was deprived of his share in his property. Deprived is followed by certain preposition. Deprived is followed by of. I am engaged in some work this Sunday. I am engaged in some work in Sunday. Engaged in this preposition followed to engage. This preposition followed to engage. She recently got engaged to Patrick Grover, and you engaged to when person comes, then this is engaged to. This is engaged to. You are entitled to follow my orders. You are entitled. To is followed to entitled. To will follow to entitled. Ian Fleming, she is gifted with a melodious voice. Gifted is followed with. Gifted is followed with. He was found guilty of. Of is followed by guilty. Guilty is followed by of. Sorry. You should always be grateful to God. Grateful is followed by to. Grateful is followed by to. And I am hoping for the best. I am hoping for the best. For hoping will be hoping is followed by for. Hoping is followed by for. And the dog looks hostile to you. Hostile is followed by to. Hostile is followed by to. And next is he was declared the heir to. Heir is followed by to. And she is ignorant of. Ignorant is followed by of. Ignorant is followed by of. They are quite intimate with. Intimate is followed by with. And I got introduced to. Introduced is followed by to. Introduced is followed by to. And next is Okay, till thank you for watching me, and up to this we have completed, and in next video I shall taught you further about preposition and followed a certain verb, adjective, etc., followed by certain preposition. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching me.